Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 11, часть 2, страница 30-31. English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 11, part number 2, page number 30-31. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 30, word lab. Exercise number 1. Fruit clothes. Look at the pictures and complete what the people are saying. Фруктовая одежда. Посмотри на картинки и закончи то, что говорят люди. Number 1. My T-shirt has got some limes, coconuts, strawberries and some oranges. На моей майке есть лаймы, кокосы, клубника и апельсины. Number 2. My hat has got some bananas, watermelons, limes and some green peppers. На моей шляпе есть бананы, арбузы, лаймы и немного зеленых перцев. Number 3. My trousers have got some lemons, onions, grapes and some peas. На моих штанах есть лимоны, лук, виноград и немного гороха. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Design your own fruit clothes. Present them to the class. Сделай свою собственную фруктовую одежду. Представь ее классу. The answer. My trousers have got some melons, limes, bread and some tomatoes. My dress has got some strawberries, lemons, blueberries and some mangoes. My tights have got some bananas, onions and some pasta. Exercise number 3. Read and complete the lists. Прочитай и закончи списки. Fruit and vegetables, containers, drinks, other food. The answer. Grapes, onion, green pepper, mango. Can, jar, packet, carton. Lemonade, milk, orange juice, cola. Pizza, rice, pasta, burger. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Make sentences. Can I have a carton of milk, please? Составь предложение. Можно мне коробку молока, пожалуйста? The answer. We need a packet of flour. Buy 2 bottles of lemonade. A loaf of bread, please. Can I have a can of cola, please? Can I have a kilo of meat, please? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 31. Exercise number 5. Talk with your friend. Is there any cola? Yes, there is. Are there any mangoes? Yes, there are. Your shopping bag is number 1. Поговори со своим другом. Is there any cola? Yes, there is. Is there any bread? Yes, there is. Are there any strawberries? Yes, there are. Your shopping bag is number 2. Is there any cola? Yes, there is. Is there any orange juice? Yes, there is. Are there any limes? Yes, there are. Your shopping bag is number 3. Is there any milk? Yes, there is. Are there any lemons? Yes, there are. Is there any lemons juice? Yes, there is. Your shopping bag is number 4. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Rearrange the letters in the food poems. Mary's got a little jam, a little cola, a little juice, and every time that Mary eats, her little teeth really hurt. Переставь буквы в стихотворениях о еде. The answer. Number 1, jam, cola, juice. Number 2, the answer, pizza, beans, pasta. Number 2, this is the way we eat our pizza, eat our beans, eat our pasta. This is the way we eat all our food when we're very hungry. Number 3, the answer, strawberries, cake, strawberries. Number 3, 1 little, 2 little, 3 little strawberries, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little strawberries, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little strawberries, 10 little strawberries dancing. Dancing, dancing on your cake. Dancing, dancing on your cake. Dancing, dancing on your cake. 10 little strawberries dancing. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.